Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried opening an EXE file on your Mac only to realize that macOS does not support Windows application? Don't worry, in this video I will show you one of the easiest ways to run EXE files on your Mac using crossover without installing Windows or creating a virtual machine. Let's get started. First, let's know what is EXE file. An EXE file is a Windows executable application. Since macOS and Windows are different operating systems, you can't simply double-click an EXE file on a Mac. As you can see here, that EXE file, and double-clicking it, but it is saying you can't open the application. This .exe because Microsoft Windows application are not supported on macOS. Now let's install the crossover. Crossover lets you run many Windows applications directly on macOS without needing a Windows license. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for crossover for Mac. Press enter. Now you can see here the crossover for Mac download. Click on this link. Now you can see here the download options. Click on this download. Now your download process will start. Wait for the download process. As you can see here, the crossover download process is started. Now let's install the crossover. Just double click on the zip file. As you can see here, the crossover is installed successfully. Now double click on it. It is verifying the application. It may ask for the permission. Just give it the access from the settings. Now click on open. Now you can see here it is asking for the premium version. If you want to purchase it, so you can purchase it from here, buy. And if you want to use the free version, free trial, just click on try now. Now you can see here the crossover interface on my screen. Now you can see here at the bottom install. Click on it. Now from here you can see the application that runs on Windows. You can simply install it from here and you can search the application here as well. As you can see, I am searching for Ultra Viewer. No results. As you can see, there is no application named Ultra Viewer, but I want to install this application. For that, what I have to do, you can see here, install an unlisted application. Click on this first. Now you can see you need to provide an installer file or disk order to install this software using crossover. Just open the official website and just download the EXE file. Click on edit. Now just select the file and then click on choose installer. And you need to select the bottle to install this software into. For that, just click on edit and create a bottle. Give it a name. Then click on done. As you can see, both settings are ticked. Now you can see an install option. Click on install. Now it is installing that EXE file into the bottleneck. Just wait for the installation to be done. As you can see, it takes some time. Don't panic. Now you can see here the interface of the Ultra Viewer setup. Just click on next. Your installation process for Ultra Viewer is started. As you can see, it is extracting the files. Let the extraction be done. As you can see on my screen, the setup is successfully installed. Just click on finish. As you can see, the application is successfully installed on the crossover home page. And what if the EXE does not work? Not every Windows application is compatible in your EXE does not open. Try creating a different Windows portal. From here, like Windows 10 or Windows 11, update crossover to the latest version, check the application's compatibility in the crossover database, and that's how you can run exe files on your Mac using crossover. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.